Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about something essential for every rider, keeping your helmet clean and fresh. Whether you've been battling the strong rains in the city or cruising through the countryside, your helmet deserves some TLC every now and then. And guess what? We'll be using just water and liquid soap, so let's dive in. The first step is to take apart the helmet. Be sure to remove the visor mounts, the inner foams, and any additional accessories like Bluetooth intercom systems. Once you tear things apart, and before you start cleaning, be sure to inspect the helmet to locate areas that will need more attention when cleaning. Also keep an eye for any damages that may have occurred to the helmet. Lay everything down to identify where to start. In our case, let's start by adding some liquid soap, then add some clean water, then stir to create some foam. Put the inner foams of the helmet in the water and dip so that they soak up the soapy water nicely. Get a microfiber cloth and use it to clean them thoroughly. Squeeze the foams occasionally to let out any dissolved dirt. Once done with the inner foams, let's shift our attention to the helmet shell. Scrub the outer shell with the microfiber cloth until all the dirt is cleaned. Scrub the linings too and even the inside of the shell. With both the foams and the inner shell well cleaned, now it's time to rinse in a bucket with clean water. When the water becomes soapy, pour out the water and replace it with cleaner water. Rinse everything once more and set aside. Before wrapping up, let's take the other accessories and give them a nice wipe. Some waterproof ones can be dipped directly into the water then wiped. Lay them on some tissue or kitchen towel and leave them to dry. As the accessories dry, proceed to wipe the visor with the damp microfiber cloth, then dry with some kitchen towel as well. Hang everything to dry, the shell, the inner foams, and the accessories. In a few hours once they're dry, put back everything together and that's it. A simple yet effective way to clean your motorcycle helmet, using just water and liquid soap. Remember to clean your helmet regularly to maintain its performance and extend its lifespan. I mean, it's also kinda good for your own hygiene, you know? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more motorcycle tips and tricks. Ride safe out there, and until next time, bye.